Hi guys! 10:44 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chiman, Yijing, and Day Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? Opo, medyo tumagal po, and yes, we're back. And of course, again, sharing. Na-miss po nung iba yung mga, bakit daw puro, daily chimen, no? Maganda raw, may mga green dragon, flying bird, and jade maiden watching the door. So, ngayong gabi, I'll give it to you. And again, BFF, don't forget, tomorrow I will be again having my segment in NGO TV at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow. Don't forget na let us support the channel, let us support po the people behind NGO TV, kay Kuya Ricky and the team po. Please, I hope to see you there. Tomorrow we'll be discussing the monthly feng shui and the monthly Shimen energies affecting each sector. So ano ba yung invisible energy that may affect you while you are in that sector, yung opportunity and what to take care of. Yes! Okay, Pep, tabi! So, kagagaling lang po natin sa CAF, no? Change of weather na po ngayon. Medyo, yes, may boses na tayo. And medyo naglaylo because of the, change of weather. But again, the most important is you now and what we can share po all for tomorrow. Okay, mahaba-habang buklatan to. Anyway, BFF. May 7, it says here, the fire rat enters a danger auspicious day. Oh, anong meron? Kuya Norman, sa isang Wednesday na May 7. Sabi dito is assuming a new post is very good. Disengage or dissolve an arrangement. Groundbreaking. Meeting friends, networking, moving house. Prayers and worshiping, putting up roof beams, renovations, traveling, okay. Not good for getting married and seeking medical treatment. Not recommended for tomorrow. So, check natin. How about the animal signs? Ayan. FF, animal signs tayo. Opo, sabi dito. Rat and ox is very good. Tigers, not so good. Rabbit is average. Dragon, very good. Snake is average. Horse and goat, not so good. Monkey, very good. Rooster is average. Dog is not so good. Pig is average. Ayan. There you have it. Okay. Daily Chimen. Daily Chimen tayo. Okay, dokie. Para po whole day naman po. Starting later at 11 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. the next day. So, tingnan natin, BFF. Okay. 7. Alright. Okay. If you want to increase viewing beautiful and handsome, if you are a content maker, a blogger, mag-upload ka po sa digital platform, talikod ka po sa Southeast. The game changer with the Green Dragon returns buong araw and the absolute support, 7 stars. Sarap nito. But talikod sa Southwest. To create opportunities, BFF, talikod sa West. If you're not feeling well, yan, pesting ahem. 6 stars to, BFF. Talikod ka naman sa Northwest. For heart-to-heart talk, peace on earth, partnership, anything to do with money, talikod naman sa North. And there's another flying bird, BFF talikod naman to, whole day to, talikod ka naman sa Northeast, getting what you want. Yung palang BFF, may green dragon ka na sa backing to Southwest, and meron kang flying bird falling to cave, talikod naman sa Northeast. Sarap nito. Wow. But again, BFF, tingnan natin, bigay natin. May request our Lichimi naman, Kuya Norman. Tingnan po natin. Okay, let us see. Ganun pong kabilis BFF ang panahon, May na. Yes, ito na po. Okay. Let us see. Okay. So BFF May 7. Ito po. May 7. BFF 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Flying bird falling to cave. Talikod sa Northeast. Jade maiden watching the door. Talikod sa North. It's 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. And then another Jade maiden watching the door. 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Talikod naman sa Southwest. Yan, BFF 3 structures po. Okay. Starting from 7 until to 12:59 p.m. Wow. So there you have it. So just in case, ano po ba yung flying bird falling to cave? Good fortune falls into your lap. Increase investment, wealth and profits. Nobleman offers help. Chaotic situations resolved. Plans go smoothly. Defend against court cases. Supportive of new ventures and career development. How about Jade Maiden? Jade Maiden naman po is for likability and control, good for planning and strategizing, easily obtain help, turn enemies into friends, positive for negotiations, career, and educational pursuit. So sa first timer po, nakakaparinig nito, walang babayaran, walang subscription, you just have to turn your back to, let's say, Southwest. So Southwest, Green Dragon Return, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Talikod kayo ng Southwest, nakaupo, use a compass of course, so nakaharap po ng northeast, nakatalikod sa southwest, and then you count from 64 to 1, down to 1, and then you do 5 things. You let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want or visualize it, and then given the chance, you donate. Don't forget. Pwede sa tao, pwede sa church, sa charity po. Okay? So, pwedeng Tagalog, pwedeng English, basta po, follow that. Let go of not so good experiences, of bad people, of people who did not so good to you. And then you open up for new opportunities, new kind of people, new kind of, nice things to come into your life. And you ask for it. You give thanks first, of course, magpasalamat ka. Then you visualize and ask for what you want. Maybe for tomorrow, or for the whole week, or for the whole month of May. And then, given the chance, you donate any amount, any form. You donate po. So, yun po yung 5 things that you're gonna do when you manifest. So, maganda po, nakaupo lang. And then, kahit saan kayo abutan, BFF, need not be your special place. Dahil, well, kung saan kayo and you feel like doing it, let's go for it, BFF. Sayang po, there's a structure, no po. So, you can replay this, and if you will be watching this tomorrow, po, it's there. And then, tomorrow again, BFF, I'd like to invite each and every one of you to watch NGO TV, Wow Feng Shui. It's every first Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So there again, I'll be discussing the monthly energies, Feng Shui, and Chi-Men. So unknowingly, what you have to maximize it, if you want to do the monthly Feng Shui, pwede po. So that you can have a faster effect for the whole month of May. Again, BFF, thank you so much for having this opportunity. Again, no, thank you so much po. At least we have na, may bosses na tayo. Our cup subsided na po. Grabe po eh. Tagal na po. At least now, ready sana po with God willing, magawa pa ito daily and then nightly, of course. And BFF, our exchange of energies is like and share, because we never know if someone out there is in depression, in bad things of life, lonely, alone. Ito po, share natin po. It may be able to help. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.